It is? It's blonde?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's going to dry any minute.
It's going to dry any minute? Oh, yeah. Do you need to use the blow dryer like Auntie Kimmy?
No.
No? It'll just dry, air dry? Yeah.
Any minute.
Did you take a good shower, a nice shower? You play in there? It's fun, huh?
Daddy say.
What?
They said.
Yeah. What's Mommy doing?
Sing.
What is she? Oh, she's singing? She's doing rehearsal, drum lessons?
No. It's doing bando lessons.
Band lessons?
Bando.
What?
Bando.
What? Bendo?
Bando.
Pendo, what's that?
'Cause I love it.
I love you.
Do you ever, Baka?